Well, the human spirit has not broken in Central Arkansas as recovery efforts continue. And we're hearing more stories of helpful neighbors and businesses stepping up to answer the call. THV 11's Zero Backwoods shares how those in need can get help in the metro area.
Ahead of that possibility for severe weather on Tuesday, community centers in Little Rock and North Little Rock are doubling down on making sure everyone who needs aid can get it.
If anyone has a need, we want to turn them here. We're here to serve the city, so come.
Relief groups from all over and crowds of volunteers at the Emmanuel City Center in Little Rock, offering free food, clothes, tarps, mental health services, anything the Little Rock community may need for as long as they need it.
This is our home. These are our neighbors. This is our community. We want to serve them.
Just across the water, North Little Rock is also preparing for Tuesday's storms, offering food and shelter for people and pets.
When you know that you don't have a roof over your head, this is that shelter that you need, and we're able to provide that, and we're glad to do it in North Little Rock.
Community members and police also going door to door to share resources.
Not everyone has social media or the internet where they can get on a website or even watch TV. So we provide that information for them in print and then say, how can we help you?
If you want more information on the details of where you can go to volunteer, drop off donations, where shelters are, we have all of that information on our website. And North Little Rock also has a hotline you can call that's at the bottom of your screen right now to answer some of those questions. Reporting in Little Rock, Sarah Horbakowitz, THV 11 News.